All I ever wanted was $1 million in a fast whip. Riding around my city with my homies in the back. Yeah, turn my music up and let it blast for the rap kids. You should call me.
What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Jay in Life, and today I am back at it with another video for you guys. Some of you guys may know me from Instagram or from TikTok. If you guys don't know me, welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, so yes, I did say I am back with another video. Is because I actually had a YouTube channel, but I never really had a chance to continue it or to put time in it. This is just gonna be a quick unboxing video. I'm not gonna take too much of your time, so hope you guys enjoy. I actually made my Instagram choose which colorway should I get for my first pair of Yeezy slides. And here's the poll somewhere right here. The majority of them chose the resin colorway. Let's hope you guys enjoyed that part of the video. As you guys can see on the box, it said slide. This is actually my first pair. Hopefully start a collection with the slide. To be honest with you guys, you guys can use this for, like, you know, daily basis. You can use this as your sneakers. By sneakers, I mean you could wear this with any type of outfit, you feel me? You could like wear it with jogging pants, like a comfy look, or you could even rock it with jeans, you know what I'm saying? So you could go like a lot of different options with this slides. By the way, I just wanted to shout out and thank Montreal Plug for hooking me up with this pair of Yeezy slides. Thank you so much. Shout out to you guys. Retail on this, I would say they go about $300 to $400 US. It really depends on the colorway too. I'm late, you know, I'm late to the Yeezy slides. Yeezy has been active and people has been rocking them for a while right now. So, you know, I'm excited to wear this. Like I said, to be honest with you, these are actually so light. Like, comparing to my Nike slides, this is like a lot lighter than this. But anyways, I don't know how to feel about this. Like, it's ugly, but it's unique at the same time, you know? Like, Kanye has his different styles of slides, and, you know, I just saw recently he had this what you call it, the Crocs slide version. I don't know, I'm gonna show like a picture somewhere. But actually, here, let me pull out my Yeezy that I have. So yeah, shout out to Sold Out Montreal for hooking me up with these as well. So, you know, this is a Yeezy 350. The colorway is unique too. Like, it's more earth tones. As you can see, this is more like a darker green, military green. There's other colorways like the bone colorway. I'm not familiar with the names, but yeah. Next, talking about the size. Okay, so I'm a size 9.5 to a size 11. It really depends on the style of the shoe. Let's say on a Jordan 3, I'm a size 10. But on a Jordan 11, let's say I'm a size 10.5. It really depends on the model, on the style. And on the Yeezy slides, I'm a size 10. That's the size that I got. I tried it on actually, and it was at first it was tight, but I've heard that the more you wear it, the more it stretches out because it's a different type of material. Talking about the material, as you can see, the difference between, you know, this Nike basic slide, it's more of a fake leather. As you can tell the difference with the Yeezy slides, it's a type of foam material, I would say. So I pretty much cover the size, the fit, the style of it, you know, my opinion. Let me show you how it looks on the feet. So let's put it on. Like I said earlier, they fit a bit tight at first, but once you keep wearing them, you know, they're gonna stretch out just fine. So I'm a size 10, and you see it fits flush. You don't at me, I'm wearing Nike and Yeezy at the same time. Just, you know, showing you guys how they fit. But yeah, that was pretty much it for today. Thank you guys for watching. It means so much to me. Make sure you guys like this video if you guys enjoyed it. Comment down below, let me know what you guys want to see from my next video. Interact with me, you feel me? I'm gonna drop my IG and my TikTok if ever. Subscribe to my channel if ever you guys are new. Join the fam, J Life fams, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, so it's your boy Jay. We out. Peace. Cheese. So yes, as you guys can see from the title, yes, as you guys can see from the title, I will be reviewing and unboxing the Yeezy. So yes, as you guys can see. As you guys can see from the title, I will be doing a reviewing. I'll be reviewing and unboxing the Yeezy slides.
All I ever wanted was $1 million in a fast whip. Riding around my city with my homies in the back. Yeah, turn my music up and let it blast for the rap kids. You should call me